खाने पर शायद कंट्रोल कर पाना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, तभी तो चाहे किसी भी चीज को खाने की भूख हो या ना हो, पर एक बार सामने आ जाए तो रहा भी नहीं जाता। और इन सेलिब्रिटीज को ही देखिए जो अपनी फिगर मेंटेन और अपने लुक्स को लेकर खाने में कितना ध्यान बरतते हैं। वहीं रुजुता दिवाकर लेकर आई हैं एक ऐसी ही डीवीडी जिसका नाम है आर्ट ऑफ ईटिंग राइट, जिसको लॉन्च करने पहुंची करीना कपूर। The DVD features celebrities like Kareena Kapoor Khan, Karizma Kapoor, Saif Ali Khan, Anupam Kher and Richa Chadha, among other celebrities, and talks about eating right and staying fit. वहीं रुजुता ने की बात अपनी DVD के बारे में भी।
I think the only Dadima ka nuska that I have for everyone is that rice is nice. And if you want a waist like Kareena Kapoor, then you need to be eating rice. So I think I'm going to call her on stage so that you can see what that waist looks like and go back to eating rice.
करीना ने कहा कि वो रुजुता के हर प्रोजेक्ट में उनके साथ रही हैं।
As Rujuta said that I'm involved in all her projects, but I think this one is extremely special because I've seen a journey of, I think, a young, lovely girl, that is Rujuta, who started from writing my diets in my vanity van on a piece of paper. Today I see her coming out with a DVD. It's the biggest achievement for her. And it truly is. It's her moment, it's her time. And all I've done is just support her belief.
करीना ने अपनी डाइट के बारे में भी बताया।
This waistline, if Rujuta insists, is good, I don't know. But yes, it's happened because of eating rice. I eat rice almost, I think every day, if not every alternate day, because that's a part of my diet. And when I tell my friends, all of them, all my close friends, like whether it's Ammu, Malaika, my sister, or, my own manager who's just told Rujuta that, she wants a back like hers. But she refuses to eat rice because they all are like, oh God, how can you eat rice? We can't eat carbs. We can't do this. We have to only eat grilled chicken. And there I am just gorging on my rice and dal and feeling that peace of being a true Indian and just belonging to, like my soil and feeling so much at peace, sleeping well at night. Like Saif said, just feeling happy from within. And most importantly, my dietitian hasn't taught me to starve. She's made me a happier woman.
करीना ने कहा कि उनके लिए डाइटिंग करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है।
The South Beach diet. And it sounds really nice that I want to be on South Beach. If I tell someone that, oh, it's a South Beach diet, it sounds good. But what is it really doing for you? Just eating leaves and, a few vegetables is something that I don't think I can survive on. And it just doesn't make me happy. And Indian food, when I come back home after a hard day's work, it just kind of, it keeps me at peace. At the same time, I think it keeps me looking great.
करीना ने घी को कहा glamorous.
I think ghee is glamorous. Why is it not? It's
after you, it's glamorous.
No, I don't know why people don't feel that. But in the morning, every time I wake up, I tell my cook कि आलू पराठा बनाओ and उसमें एक चम्मच घी भी डाल दो, because that is, I don't think I can eat a paratha today without ghee. And firstly, I think people must be wondering that how she's waking up to eating aloo parathas. Yeah. But that is something that I think if the world knows that I enjoy that for my breakfast, and that's something that it keeps me full. And at the same time, like Rujuta said, there are so many benefits that I suddenly started feeling in my body, suddenly started feeling on my skin. And I realized that, it's happening because I'm adding this 1 spoon of ghee that's going into my system. And in fact, my Dadi ji, since today she's 84, 85, she has, my father's mother that is, she has been having ghee since she was 2 years old. And she has maintained her weight right from her 20s till she's 85. I think she's looking super. She's fit as a fiddle. She's walking around. Her knees have never given way. She enjoys playing her cards, and that's what she's continuing to do. Because it's never been that Dadi ji has ever eaten her lunch without 4 ghee rotis ever in her life.
कौन सा है करीना का फेवरेट फ्रूट, आइए जानें।
I think, like you've always taught me, is to eat local, and along with that, wherever you are, whatever the place is, whatever the local fruit is there, is what I normally like to eat. And banana is something that now I can't do without. I never used to like bananas earlier, but now I can't do without it. I wake up in the morning and I need to have a banana before I even take a sip of coffee. And I think that's because you've taught me that. But people, I think, these days are getting into, trying to eat berries or goji berries because, Miranda Kerr or, Kate Moss is eating it or somebody's eating it. So that's, everyone's running from pillar to post, spending lakhs of rupees, ordering. Fruits are coming online, people are ordering it, that, okay, this is the right thing because so-and-so is eating it. So everyone's trying to eat that. I only eat berries. And a berry smoothie is the most healthiest thing to do. But I mean, even a banana milkshake can, it makes me feel full. It's rich in iron. I mean, potassium, I think it's great. It's good for my blood. I don't have to spend 1 lakh of rupees ordering berries because, that's what everyone else is eating.
कभी-कभी करीना भी करती हैं अपनी डाइट में चीटिंग।
Nobody can believe that I'm eating the way I am and still maintaining a certain amount of weight. But yes, I mean, I have to admit that I do cheat sometimes, which Rujita doesn't have to know about.
I know about.
And I'm sure all her clients do that. But that's okay. There's no fun if there's no, a little bit cheat here and there. So that you have to understand. But actually, she doesn't give a reason too much to cheat because if you ask her that, I want to eat a samosa or I want to eat vada pav, she'll be like, yeah, just do it. Just eat it. She's so sweet. So, you don't feel like breaking her heart.
करीना ने कहा कि सिंपल लिविंग, सिंपल ईटिंग गिव्स अस हेल्दी लाइफ।
I don't know how many people can really stop eating at the right time because our eyes are always bigger than our stomachs. And I feel that most Indians are like that. So I sometimes, are like that. But I think if you eat every 2 hours, if you're constantly having something that you like and enjoy every 2 hours, automatically you stop at the right time. You want to stop at the right time because you're also looking forward to what you're going to eat in your next meal. So that's what you just have to kind of tune your mind to it. And eating right it's also mind control. So it kind of, like she says, it helps you stay calm and controlled.
आइए जानते हैं कि क्या मैसेज दिया है इन सब ने डीवीडी में।
Not just about eating our local food, but also about eating it while practicing all of our local and native wisdom about food and eating practices.
I lost 25 kilos because of you, eating fish curry and rice every night. And I think now it's become a way of life for me, and I kind of endorse it. Like wherever I go, I tell people, please don't starve yourself and drink nimbu pani and some pattas and kind of think you're going to lose weight because it'll all come back.
The minute we are born, our parents are always like, "Arey ghee ki roti khila do yaar." But the minute we're like, 20, we don't want to eat that ghee paratha. We want to eat what, a steamed or a braised fish. But my attitude is that, listen, I mean, I am a Punjabi, I love it. My mother has been giving me ghee. She used to give me ghee with rice. My dietitian hasn't stopped giving that to me even now.
What I didn't realize is the positive impact it would have on your mind. As in, a good diet can make you happy. You're smiling more, you're enjoying, I was laughing more. And that's, I think, more important than a six-pack, is being happy. And if you can get both, then wow.
Because you are not starving and you are not making everybody's life miserable that I want to eat only this and mixed with a half a spoon of olive oil and then steam it at the temperature 37.3 and then boil it on the temperature of this, the simmering this thing. By the time I will die.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।